nothing better than winning the team.
ऑफ कोर्स शिनान बैंक जीत चुकी है क्वालिफायर राउंड और ऑफ कोर्स जो विनिंग स्पिरिट था हमने देखा, जो जोश था हमने देखा। लेकिन क्या कहना चाहेंगे अबाउट द लीग, कितना एंजॉय कर रही है पूरी टीम? जैसे कि आपने कहा कि बहुत टाइम से प्रैक्टिस वगैरह सब चल रहा है।
See, I think, frankly speaking, I'm seeing this since last 4 years, and every year there is an improvement. And I would love to be a part of Tata AIG every event which they organize. And this year they have like raised the bar at like compared to last 3 years. And all credit goes to the Tata AIG team and the event company, of course. And especially the Karan and the team which he has basically called us and asked every time कि आप participate करो, आपका event में होना ज़रूरी है, irrespective of business and the partners they belongs to. And thank you so much, and we are looking forward such events from their side continuously, and we will be there always for their support anytime whenever it comes for a business, it comes for the sports or any other aspects.
Thank you so much. Now we have a small activity. So what you have to do a love, yes, Korean heart. Oh my God. See, I was not knowing, but now, wow. Yes. So we have to say, we love All Star Premier League Season 4. Okay. One, two, three.
We all love all star premier league for season 4.0. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Now back to cricket. Over to you, Combox.
Thank you so much. So the Tata Capital 313 without a wicket after the first over. A decent start this for both the sides, you must say. Both the openers getting that eye in. A 6 to Atul as well. So it's going to be Prashant to continue in the second over. How much can the Tata AIG 1 restrict their opposition to? And this time a swing, and he's found a thick outside edge, and that's the first one gone. It's the big wicket of Bhagyesh. And Prashant strikes off his very first delivery. कट मारने की कोशिश पर चूक गए और बाहरी किनारा सीधा विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। 13 रन पर पहला नुकसान टाटा कैपिटल 3 को। So the new man comes in and gets off the mark instantly. Yuvraj Jogale. Well, the Tata AIG 1 restricted the Tata AIG 2 to 43.
Check.
And they would be wanting to see something similar up against the Tata Capital 3, but it's not going to happen if they bowl deliveries like those. Beautifully picked up through the leg side. दूसरा छक्का अतुल के लिए, बहुत ही शानदार हिट और काफी लंबा मारा है ये। फील्डर कोई मौका नहीं। और एक और बार उठाने की कोशिश, पर ये बार सीधा फील्डर के हाथों पर। 1 रन मिलेगा। This has been an exceptional over so far by Prashant. Once again going for the big swing, finding a thick inside edge. Will only get a single. Well, in fact, they are maybe going for the throw in the second, not quite so. deciding against it at the end, and a good decision. So at the end of the second over now, it is 23 for 1 for the Tata Capital 3. Well, may I request the captains of the TCHFL 1, HDB 1, Credila 1, TCL 5 and Primal Finance to come up at the stage, please. Captain Amar for the TCHFL 1, Captain Sanket for HDB 1, Captain Sabir for Credila 1, Captain Kumar for TCL 5 and Captain Mayur for Primal Finance. Piramal Finance, I beg your pardon. Requesting all the captains to come up, please, at the stage. These are all the winners of the qualifiers. So Vishal continuing in this third over in this crucial encounter of the qualifier number 7, match number 21 of the All-Star Premier League season number 4. It has been an outstanding start, this one, for the Tata AIG 1. They will feel that they are in a very good position in this game. Once again, going for the big swing, finding a thick inside edge, will only get a single. Just the 2 runs of the over so far. This time hits hard and in the gap. And it's gone all the way as well, a 6. A much needed one for the Tata Capital 3. ज़्यादा खास डिलीवरी डाली नहीं थी उन्होंने, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रूम ऑफर कर दिया बैटर को, और बैटर बड़ा स्विंग लगा दे ऑफसाइड की तरफ, और गैप में 6 रन के लिए। और एक और बार उठा दिया है, बहुत ज्यादा हाइट और डिस्टेंस भी। बैक टू बैक 6s for Atul, turning the heat on here in this game. That's his 4th 6. What a super blow this one. And the Tata Capital 3 once again having noses in front in this game. This time a big swing and a miss. It hits the pad and they get across for a leg bye. तो 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 38 पर 1, टाटा कैपिटल 3, आखिरी ओवर बाकी। We enter the final over of this innings, and it's been picked up. Does he have the distance? Yes, he does. Just enough in the end. The longer fielder was lurking, but all the way it goes, and a maximum for Yuvraj. In fact, it is Atul once again. Moves on to 33 runs सिर्फ 12 गेंदों पर। 75% रन उन्होंने ही बनाया टाटा कैपिटल 3 के लिए ये इनिंग्स में। एक और बार बड़ा शॉट लगाने की कोशिश। आखिरी ओवर है तो हर एक बॉल मारने की प्रयास रहेगी। 44 for 1 after 3.2. Just the 4 more deliveries left. Well, we saw 70 wasn't enough in the previous game. Another swing and a miss. An excellent comeback this by Vishal Vidhate. बैक टू बैक डॉट डिलीवरी मिलते हुए, डॉट डिलीवरी बॉलर के लिए एक सफलता ही है ये टूर्नामेंट में, स्पेशली जब गेम 4 ओवर का हो। ये बार वाइड डिलीवरी लेग साइड की तरफ, ये बार छोटी गेंद उठा नहीं पाए, मिडिल ऑफ द बैट नहीं कर पाए, और एक और रन के लिए भागते हुए हसलिंग और शानदार रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स। So Atul will stay on strike after that double, and the score moves on to 47 for 1 after 3.4. Finally, we are back here. 35 without a wicket. What an outstanding start this one for the Tata AIG 1. Just the 22 more needed now. And once again, it's been crunched. Once again, crunched in the gap. They are running away with this game here, the Tata AIG 1. Well, just like they got 27 in their first game in the first over, they got 27 once again, and now 12 more added in this over. Another full toss and another 6. 6 और रन मिलेंगे, सिर्फ 12 रन और की आवश्यकता. लगता है बहुत ही जल्दी में है नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए टाटा AIG 1. शोन सावंत 25 सिर्फ 7 गेंदों पर, और साथ में एजाज याकीन 19 4 गेंदों में. ये बार
कैप्टन आ जाए. ऑल कैप्टन
एमसी किधर है? तो मॅन ऑफ द मॅच साठी गेलाय.